Do you want to know how you can log into your Xero Me Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Xero Me Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and search for Xero Me Payroll Login. Then click on this link over here which is called Xero Me, and you can see login option on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click login and it will take you to the official login portal of Xero Me. Now you can write down your email address in the first box. After you've written it down, go to the second box and write down your password. Make sure it is correct and is associated with your account in Xero Me, and then click login. This way you can successfully log into your Xero Me payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.